Hi lovelies, welcome back to the Luxy Hair channel. My name's Eastiana and today we're going to share some tips on how to blend hair extensions if you have thinner hair. I'll share some tips for using clip-in hair extensions and also how to add thickness to your hair with a clip-in ponytail or clip-in bun. So let's get started. Starting off with some classic clip-in hair extensions, I'm using my perfect match in 20 inches chocolate brown today. So this is my natural hair. I would say that I have medium thick hair, but for the purpose of today's tutorial, I'm going to be clipping in my extensions the way that I would if I had thinner hair. So if you have thin hair, the main trick is to make sure that all your wefts are clipped in below your ears. You never want to clip anything above your ears because you may not have enough hair up at the top to conceal the wefts. So think of below your ears as your safety line. So I like to start with a 3-clip weft, and I'm going to gather my hair and pin everything up except a bottom layer like so. Now if you have thin hair, here's a key tip to a better blend. Take some hairspray and spritz a little at your roots. And then take a teasing comb or brush and back comb at your roots to give them a little bit of grit and lift. This is going to help you create more volume, which is definitely the goal here. So now I'm just going to clip in the first weft and let down my hair. And then repeat by gathering my hair up, clipping it up, and leaving down the next layer. Again, hairspray and back comb to tease at the roots to get that extra lift. And then I'm going to clip in a 4-clip weft here. Another quick tip if you have thinner hair is to stack your wefts. So I'm taking another 4-clip weft and I'm just going to clip it directly on top of the other 4-clipped weft that's already in my hair. Right in the middle of your head is where you want to concentrate that extra thickness, so stacking your wefts helps you build that volume and thickness on top, all in the perfect place. Now let down your hair and it's time to clip in the very last clip at the back. This is another 3-clip weft for my full set, and remember you want to ensure that you're not clipping anything above your ears. Especially this last layer, just be super mindful so you're still clipping that last clip below the safety line. Okay, moving on to the side pieces. I'm taking my comb and clipping up the top layers of my hair on the side of my head. Again, hairspray and back comb at the roots. Then just clipping in a 2-clip weft here. I also like to add single clip wefts on top to concentrate that thickness again. So you want to build outwards to blend extensions with thinner hair. Okay, so I've gone ahead and clipped in the other side. Now it's time to brush everything out to blend. I'm using the Luxy Hair Loop Brush so that the bristles don't snag on the clips. And my last step for the perfect blend is just adding a drop of hair oil to smooth down any flyaways and give it that extra shine. You could of course move on to straighten or curl and style your hair altogether now if you like, but I already just love how much thickness, volume, and length these clip-ins have added, so I think I'm done. Also, if you think the transformation on me looks dramatic, the difference extensions can make on really thin hair is actually incredible. Now, have you ever wanted to have a fuller ponytail? Let me show you how adding a clip-in ponytail extension can easily add extra thickness to a ponytail, especially if you have thin hair. You can do a high or low ponytail, but let's go low for today. This is what the clip-in ponytail looks like. You just have to insert the grip into your elastic and match the Velcro ends together, then take the tail like this and just wrap it around to cover everything. Take a bobby pin or 2 to secure the ends, and that's literally it. It's so easy and quick, and it's such a great way to instantly get fuller hair to your ponytail. great type of extensions for thin hair is a clip-in bun. Blending thin hair with this is so easy, so let's start with a ponytail again. High or low, it's your choice. Let's go high this time. So just wrap your ponytail around itself to create a little cinnamon bun and secure with an elastic. Then here is the clip-in bun. It looks like this. It has 4 grips around and a drawstring to secure itself. So you just want to place your little bun inside the clip-in bun, insert the grips right into the base of your natural bun, and take the drawstring and pull it tight to close the clip-in bun. Then I like to split the clip-in bun hair into 2 sections and just wrap each section around the bun like this. Use a bobby pin to secure the ends. You can be messy with it, it doesn't have to be perfect. But there you go. Instantly makes your bun just so much bigger, which is so nice if you naturally don't have much hair to work with to begin with. And there you have it. 3 different ways to blend 3 different types of extensions if you have thin hair. I hope you learned some new tips and enjoyed today's video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. We'll catch you next video. Bye!